Hey guys, we received this KAMRUI AM02 Pro mini PC for test and try. So this comes with the AMD Ryzen 5800U 8C60 mini gaming PC with a 16 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD. So this have a Wi-Fi 6, a Bluetooth 5.2, uh, display port that I will show you, to HDMI, USB-C for businesses or any other use. So my first impression, this is a great mini PC because of the configuration, because this have a graphic design with a Ryzen 5800U, so it's a fast or the powerful mini PC, and also it have a 16 GB RAM, and then this NVIDIA display. So the configuration is also on this label that you can see. So I hide the contact or the personal information, so it's a good for the video. And so these are all the accessories that comes, manual and everything. So it have a HDMI cable. It's have some screws so that you can put it on the back of the monitor or anything or the wall, and then have a power supply. So this have a little large power supply as for the laptop because of the power consumption and the configuration. So let me just set up things and show. So I will show you the port as well and the different things. So is the HDMI that you can connect your monitor with this. So the good thing is they come with a HDMI, but this also comes with the mini display port, not like as a cable, but as an attachment, like in the thing itself. So you can just put in this on the wall or on the monitor, and the screws and everything is provided. So this PC comes with multiple interfaces. You can see a USB-C headphone jack. Also for the fan, the little windows for the fan dissipation. This is the power adapter thing. One HDMI, one DPI port, as you can see it here. Three USB 3.0, one USB 2.0, and LAN. So the design is good, as you can see. For the ventilation, it have an inbuilt fan as well. So let me just set up this mini PC. So I set this up. As you can see, just put in the adapter, two USB like the wireless keyboard and the mouse, one HDMI, and USB for the speakers and everything. So these are my computer speaker, and I started the machine. Start pretty quickly. So it's have a inbuilt Windows operating system. So this is pretty like switch and do, or start and go thing. So this comes and after setting up this Windows, you can see the screen, and I'm just setting up the stuff, connecting the internet or the Wi-Fi. It's pretty fast. I can see my keyboard and mouse are working pretty fast. You can see the processing speeds for the website. So I'm just trying a YouTube video. The resolution is also good because of the graphic card. This monitor is a 180 hertz monitor, and you can see like a 4K monitor. So the brightness and the delivery of the video is pretty nice. So this one is the royalty free video from YouTube. So I'm just putting to test this mini PC. So you can see the brightness and the stuff, and this can support a dual 4K display, as one from the mini display or the display port and the HDMI, but I'm just showing it on one. You can also attach a second one, and this is a pretty good stuff. So you can hear like my and this the other thing is I have feel active cooling. So this have a fan inbuilt, as you can see with the different one, and I can hear the voice of the fan here. So this also have a 16 GB DDR4 and a 512 GB SSD. So there is no issue with the Wi-Fi connection, with the connectivity with the speaker, my Bluetooth, my keyboard, mice, and also the fan and the heat thing. This also comes with the various interfaces, as I mentioned, and you can connect. Also come with the USB-C. Now I'm just doing some word processing. So the keyboard typing, just doing the stuff is pretty fast because of the processor speed. and the fast thing. So this also have a Bluetooth. You can connect a Bluetooth speaker also or other Bluetooth devices. And this have, as I said, the Wi-Fi connection is pretty strong. As you can see, I have a Wi-Fi 6. So this is connecting very well with the Wi-Fi. And the processing speed you can also see with the presentation, with the things, and also the processing stuff. So this is pretty nice, and as I said, this have one HDMI and one DPI port, so you can connect two, and supports the dual display, and also it have the air outlet thing on the small design with the cuts. So it's pretty cool, and I will say it's pretty fast with a small size mini PC that will support all your daily work and then give a little powerful system for you. And these are all the configurations that you can see and you can have. It's pretty nice, I will say, and I'm really impressed with this powerful mini PC that have like everything you need from it, and it's very great for the daily use.